You know my secrets, you know my every thought, you know the things I've done.
The wedding is the occasion when a man and a woman publicly declare their love and commitment to one another in the presence of God.
You know my struggle, my lonesome, wretched heart. You know the things I've done. It must be love.
Cher marié, mon frère, ma belle-sœur, que j'aime beaucoup, c'est une amie. Mon frère, c'est un ami et qui me donne ma belle-sœur Ruth. Elle devient une amie sincère à moi, la personne la plus proche de moi.
I was like really impressed with this guy. He set it up so that we could meet with him at the Red Lobster, and he was a chef, and he was so generous with us. Let me tell you, ever since that time, our friendship has really blossomed, has really grown over the years. I knew this guy. He was gonna get places. He met Miss Ruth. When him and I were talking, he was like, man, I met the right person. I got the right woman, man.
Si nous sommes réunis ce soir, c'est pour célébrer l'amour. Quoi de plus beau dans la vie que ce sentiment? L'amour qui nous fait naître, l'amour qui nous fait grandir, l'amour qui nous fait croire à l'avenir, l'amour qui nous pousse à nous unir.
Every mistake, every disaster, when I run